Let me show you how I make this beautiful veal agnolotti. Let's go. So we're going to start by making our beautiful egg yolk pasta, and we're going to let that rest. We're going to make our filling with veal and caramelized onions, and once our pasta has had some time to rest, we're ready to roll it out. We're going to roll it nice and thin, and we're going to get it to an 8 on the size. And then we're ready to assemble our beautiful agnolotti pasta. We're going to get our filling in and get everything tucked in nice and rolled. And then we're going to pinch to shape our beautiful agnolotti, seal everything in with egg yolk, and then we're going to cut it with a ravioli cutter to get our beautiful individual pillow-like sized pasta pieces. Boil your water, add your salt, add your agnolotti, 5 to 6 minutes, and they're perfectly done. We're ready to make our sauce. Reserve some of that boiling water because we're going to need it to thin out our sauce and kind of bring everything together. We're going to saute some filling to get an extra oomph on the pasta before we add our pasta in and get that caramelized as well. We're going to get some seasoning, salt, pepper on there, get our agnolotti in the pan, and get everything working together. Get a little sear on that pasta, gets a nice texture. And then we're going to add some Parmesan cheese, some white truffle butter, and the reserved pasta liquid, and bring this beautiful sauce together. And we're pretty much done at this point. Just season the taste, and we're ready to plate our beautiful agnolotti pasta with veal filling. And look at this deliciousness. These beautiful pillows are filled with meat, seasoned beautifully. You got that cheese, ooey gooey sauce. Let's go.